So this is a peanut. It's actually raw peanuts, and some use a roasted, but this is raw peanuts. You pour some hot water and salt, then you let it stay for an hour to dry so that the excess water will be reduced. Then you use an egg. When you pour the egg, you break the egg, you make sure that you stir it very well so that the egg will distribute equally or evenly on the peanut, so that when you pour your powder mixture, it's going to distribute and coat the peanuts evenly. The combination of this flour, they're all white flour made of wheat, corn flour, rice flour, icing sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and also salt. So you just make sure you stir every step you pour your powdered flour. You make sure that you stir everything very, very well. You stir very, very well. You have some few ones that are like actually sticking together, few. Then you just try and separate everything. Then you just give it a press so that it will absorb more of the flour. Then give it a shake. So you can leave it again for like 5 minutes, then repeat the process of like shaking. Then after like 5 minutes, so you pour through a sieve or through a perforated plate like this and just give it a shake so that the excess flour and the coated peanut will be separated. Then you find a fresh and new plate and just pat everything together. Then you have your oil. When the oil is hot, you just pour in your coated peanuts and make sure it's not crowded. You just stir, then you let it get brown, either golden brown or like a little bit deeper brown that you like, so that the peanut in the inside, since it is a raw peanut, it will be done. So at the end, this is what I have. This is 2 cups of peanut. At the end, this is what I have, and I'm going to save it in an airtight container. Put it in a plastic bag first or in a ziplock. So I believe you can